Yo, what is good everyone? It is your boy Bman267 back with another video. Today we are putting the Cobra exhaust on the Corsa, or the tuk-tuk, whatever you want to call it. So today's been a bit of a weird video. So at the moment it is on. For this specific moment of recording, we have put it on. It's a long scenario. I didn't have time or really have space to record it because it was just carnage trying to put stuff on. We was under the car, me and my dad. My dad helped me. Shout out to my dad. His channel will be linked in the description. Go subscribe to him. Like, he's a mad mechanic. I don't even know. But yeah, so he helped me put it on. We have got it on now. I didn't really have time to record me putting it on and everything like that because it was a lot of effort and it's freezing cold. It's snowing. The tuk-tuk has got the upgrade. We've got extra 6 horsepower. Wow, you didn't even expect that. 6 horsepower now. I think we're on like 95 horsepower now, which not fast, is it? It's not your Lamborghini, but it's a little Lamborghini. Yeah, I'm joking, but yeah. So we've got the exhaust on now. As you'll see in this video, you'll see some cinematics of us kind of putting it on, which I will show you now.
Hennessy, I'm litty. Man, how you getting me home? Nah, really. Dog, try to get me a bone. One kitty, parked up, getting some. You know, see me. Got tinge, don't trip. Just lick it. Yeah, I heard talking loose, but really they ain't in the all out. Before I lean on you, fall back. If it's that, I switch like
chameleon. Me have 1,000 styles for me.
Cinematics of us just putting the exhaust on. As I say, I couldn't really film too much, but I tried what I could and I done what I would kind of do at the time as we were trying to do stuff. So I'm going to put some sound clips in a minute. But yeah, so I just want to say, if you guys are looking to buy this exhaust, it's from Cobra, link in the description. You guys can go and get it. It's the sports back, so normally you'd have a straight pub coming all the way through and then you have your back box. But we've got a shorter version of the back box that just makes it a little bit more louder. Or the other one was the Venom, which is what other people got, but I think it's crap. It's literally just a whole straight pump and it's just too loud. Way too loud for me. I don't want to be a massive ricer boy. I want to be a little ricer boy, not a huge ricer boy. I don't want to walk down the street and drive down the street and just like hear my car from a mile away. I don't want people looking at me thinking, you're an idiot, you've got a loud exhaust on a Corsa. It's a Corsa. But yeah, so we've got a cool little sport exhaust on there now. The Cobra Sportback, as I said, link in the description if you guys want to cop it. Shout out to the other staff. That's how I knew about this exhaust. He said he's going to be the first to comment, so we'll see about that. But yeah, shout out to my other stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's play some clips of what it sounds like and we can talk a bit more about it, what you guys think. And yeah, let's play them clips now. Right, go again. That exhaust sounds freaking insane, guys. Honestly, I think it's the best exhaust I could have got for that car. There was Hornets and like exhaust like that, they just look so bad. The Venom, the Cobra exhaust is the best one you can get for a Corsa. So if you guys want to get it, as I said for like the 4th time, link in the description, you guys can go and get the exhaust. My next video will probably be a drive of it with the GoPro on, so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Once the snow's cleared and the ice is cleared, as I don't really want to die right now. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Tell me if you prefer this exhaust or the original exhaust. I personally think this sounds so much better. It's just got a little bit of tone to it, not too much, not too not. You get what I mean? You can still hear it. It's the best exhaust in the world, in my opinion, for this car. So yeah, make sure you follow me on Instagram. That will be Bman267. You guys can go follow me on there. And also, if you want to subscribe to my channel, that will mean a lot. Like and subscribe so I can creating these awesome videos about my Corsa. And hopefully, one day we can make a video about i40i or something. I don't know, one series one day. Hopefully. But yeah, that has been your boy Bman267, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.